Would you be willing to share your own personal experience with MDMA?
Well, I think what happened to me personally is not atypical, and that is that we all live with our narratives and our way of making sense of our things, and we're meaning-making creatures, and we should not make our meaning-making systems too seriously because we just make things up. Yeah. All of us do, and so people have often asked me, "So you have treated all these traumatized people," and I have. And you've seen all this horror that people do to each other. Doesn't it get to you? Don't you have suffer from vicarious trauma? And I always used to say, no, if you have a good marriage and you have good colleagues and you have a good team to work with, that can buffer against all that. Well, I was wrong on my MDMA. I'd never taken MDMA before. MDMA is used at parties as ecstasy, as a party drug, and I was looking forward to see what it was like. Well, I was in for a very bad surprise. For 8 hours, all the traumatized people I've seen came to visit me, and I just lie there for 8 hours going, "Oh shit, oh my God." Because I felt all the pain that had been downloaded on me. So since the time, I've been a little bit more careful taking on more trauma stories from people. Really got in touch with, yes, it does affect you and does come into your soul.